Hey there, fellow green thumbs. Welcome to Backyard Vegetable Gardening 101, where you'll learn how to grow your own fresh produce right at home. If you've been dreaming of harvesting your own tomatoes, carrots, and zucchini, then stick around because I've got some great tips to get you started. First things first. Location, location, location. Choose a spot in your backyard that gets at least 6 hours of sunlight a day. Most veggies love the sun, so this is super important. Also, make sure it's close to a water source. Trust me, lugging a heavy watering can across the yard gets old fast. Next up, let's talk about soil. Good soil is the foundation of a healthy garden. You want it to be rich in organic matter. Think compost, aged manure, or even store-bought organic soil. A quick tip: do a soil test to check its pH level. Most veggies prefer soil that's slightly acidic to neutral. Now, on to the fun part. Planting. Start small. Pick a few of your favorite vegetables to grow. Tomatoes, peppers, and lettuce are great for beginners. You can either start from seeds or buy young plants from a nursery. If you're using seeds, follow the instructions on the packet. For young plants, dig a hole big enough for the root ball, place the plant in, and pat the soil around it. Watering is key, but don't overdo it. Most veggies need about an inch of water per week. The best time to water is early in the morning. This helps prevent diseases and gives plants time to absorb moisture before the heat of the day. Here's a pro tip: mulch. Mulching helps retain moisture, keeps weeds at bay, and adds nutrients to the soil as it breaks down. Use organic mulch like straw, leaves, or grass clippings. And don't forget to fertilize. Organic fertilizers like fish emulsion or compost tea work wonders. Apply them according to the package instructions for the best results. Finally, keep an eye out for pests and diseases. Check your plants regularly and deal with any issues as soon as they arise. Hand-picking pests or using organic pest control methods can save your crops. And there you have it, your very own backyard vegetable garden in a few simple steps. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and share it with your friends. Happy gardening!